I hope I am audible, right?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Do you have any kind of question? It's no problem. If you have
No,
any
sir.
kind of question, you can. Okay. So actually, what we discussed in our previous class, can you please tell me? I forgot actually. Okay. Maybe.
Just
maybe
we are uploading the file
mhm.
in HTML file. So we have to get into post method. So we are using file part reference variables, and the object is part. It means it's whatever the file is coming from HTML page. So we have to get it means get part in that sublet, sir.
Maybe first of all, we discussed like we have a password now, how we can convert into a strong password into a S form, right? S form.
Hmm. Hmm.
How we can log in, how we can register, whatever, how we can manage. We discuss this part. Then maybe later I discuss, for example, we already covered in the JDBC how to upload like any video file, image file, PDF, or any kind of data, right? So actually,
Hmm.
discuss with you the same concept, how we can achieve the same requirement, how we can achieve in our Hibernate also, right?
Hmm.
So I hope maybe I didn't upload this video, whatever, but I will upload. I think, do I need to run this program or not? I think it's not required, for example, but no problem. Okay, just I'm just repeating once more time. I hope you are able to do this task, whatever. So where is my program? Source inside this subject. Okay. So first of all, let me close all the program from here. Okay, this is our web now. For example, we have upload.html. We have created this file, right? Am I audible, guys?
Yes, sir.
If we have created this HTML file, upload your file now. Simply, it will show you upload your file. Okay. Then please select your file. Select your file. Then simply we are selecting our file only, right? Okay,
Yeah,
anything
yes, sir.
video, audio. So for example, we are uploading like pig.png, right? So this is the name, okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Submitted finding. This is the submitted finding. But to
Yes,
identify,
sir.
to point this file, to point this object, to point this data, we are using here one name, right? This is the file, okay? Or any name you can use. Yes or no? So data
Yes.
will come,
Mhm.
go to the server. You already know all the flow of execution. Simply let me open the
Hmm.
upload servlet also, right? So this is the upload.html. Whenever you will click submit, then only program will go here, upload servlet. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
In our upload servlet.java, this is our servlet program. So simply we are using repost. You already know, I think no need to explain anything about this line, right? This is totally servlet concept. And simply another point is now, whenever we are sending binary data, we are using encoding type, right? NC type
Okay,
multi
multi-part.
data. Okay,
Yes.
this is recommended. Then simply we are okay. For example, for binary data one part, for another data another part. Simply we are using I want to get this part. Which parts are the part file is pointing, right?
File. Hmm.
Right now, this is
Mm.
our file. This is the name. We are any. This is the name, not this one. This is the type. So file is pointing this object. So we want this binary data only, right? So simply here any name you can use. Let's choose. Simply we are telling hey boss, a request boss. I want to get part. Which part? This part file is pointing. Okay, simply it will return you one object. This is called part. You are the Java developer. You already know that
Mhm.
everything is object in Java. So you should consider everything is an object.
Yeah.
Your record is an object. Okay, na? In your
Yes.
fire
Mm.
Excel, the cell is an object. Everything is an object. Yes or no? Okay, whatever. So simply we are telling, hey, so
Mm.
right now file part is pointing to this get to this binary data only. Na? Simply we want to know the submitted file name. For example, we are uploading it.png. This is the file name, right? Original file name, submitted file name. So we are using one method to get the submitted file name. Here file part.
File name.
Let me work pointing. So please tell me the submitted file name. I want to get which one? Submitted file name, right? So
File name.
the submitted file name, for example, git.png or like Hibernate session 6.mp4, whatever the name you choose. Another point is already you know now this about MIME type, right? You know for people
Yes.
MIME type, okay na? Or content type or image one
Yes, sir.
content or one MIME type. So simply we are telling, hey, I want to know a file part. A file part give me the name. A file part give me the content type also, right? Like text slash
Yes.
you already know, right? Even this is not any concept or this is not the concept related to Hibernate, right? Already I covered, okay, now many days ago in our target session, right? Okay. I hope you can remember all this point. So if you want, you can display the MIME type also. No issues. Another point. Okay, now. So already data is pointing, but okay, let me go to the entity class. Okay. And file entity.java. So in here you already know, I think entity class, no need to explain any single line. Here file name we are keeping as a primary key and we are using large object now. One annotation and OB, right? Large, okay, large object. Okay, now and many things are simply auto-generated by what? By our ID, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Simply you already know that this is a binary data. Binary data we are using one array. We are using one array, no problem. We are using one array. So we will store all the binary data here. All the binary data here only, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Then
Yes, sir.
we are storing the database only. So observe, let's come to the server program, what's happening. So actually, I have a plan to explain. So take LNP plus and even Hibernate concept. Right now, whatever we are discussing, this is not Hibernate concept, whatever. Simply, we are creating now one input stream, one pipe. This is a magical pipe. We can talk to this pipe. Already you know. So simply, this pipe is pointing to this data and to this byte. Okay, now this is simply we are creating a pipe and we are telling a pipe, a input stream. Please read all the bytes and store inside a array,
Data variable.
and data is pointing this array or this object. I think guys, right now this is explaining I am the code Java point with this one. And then the same thing now we are creating the object. Object for what, guys? Object for what? You already know how to create object like new student. Now then value we are providing only, right? Yes or no?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
What is our entity class here? Entity class is file entity.java. Now how to create
File
new file entity only, right?
file entity.
And simply we are providing file name.
Yeah.
What is the file name? What is the file type? Okay, and what is that data, binary data or array data? Any confusion to understand?
No, sir.
A simple thing, simple, very basic thing, very basic thing. Then guys, remaining thing only now your session, vectoring the session and transaction, right? Simply we are saving, right? Okay. And I show this one. Maybe I didn't run in our previous class only, right? Let me run today only, okay?
Yes.
So how to run? Okay, let me directly
Right click.
Then go to the main.
Right click, for example.
No, sorry. Run as server.
Are you practicing this code? Or simply, if you just watch the class, if you just do the class, then you can remember each one. Let me check whether is there any error or not. Okay. So we share, I think, one more time. Right now, you can see the Okay, is it visible?
Yes. Upload HTML.
Upload your file now. Select your file. This is simply one heading. Whatever the user interface we can use. No issues. You choose a file. Just one it. Can you see my screen?
Yeah,
Yes.
yes, sir.
File Explorer. Is File Explorer.
Mhm.
Can see
Yeah,
this,
sir, visible.
for example, let me add this
Some
image
PDF or PNG.
or demo.png now, one image file.
Mhm.
Let me check. Just simply click here, upload. Okay. What is this? That is just. We are providing multi-part, right? Why are we getting the error? Simply, why it one annotation is missing, right? Are you observing? Can you please remember me for multi-part? Can you please remember the servlet concept? Whenever we are sending multi-part data, now one annotation is required.
Yes.
Can you please tell me what is that?
Which, sir?
Mm-hmm.
In
Once
servlet, sir?
Mm-hmm. In servlet only ID.
at the rate web, at the rate web.
In servlet only
वो है ना
like how to upload video, how to upload image, how to upload PDF,
BLOB,
or to see from the
BLOB,
right? So at the rate, can you please tell me at the rate then simply search. Let me control screen.
mine
or multi-part config.
This is nothing more than this.
multi-part configs.
Multi-part config. If it doesn't work, let me run. If it doesn't work, let me
So
see.
if we not using multi-part config, that then, sir,
Then
it means how to
we
मतलब
need to add this annotation, right?
Hmm.
Let me run once more time.
So what is the purpose of multi-part config, sir?
Okay, you are pointing here. Yes, sir. That is, I am sending a multi-part. I'm sending the binary data only from where? From the front end, right? So be ready to accept this one. Be ready to accept the binary data only.
It means we are transferring on servlet file images.
Exactly. Binary data means what? File, images, video file, anything, whatever the binary
yes.
data. Simply let me
Otherwise text.
choose file now. Make it demo.png. Upload. Let me check this moment. And what or GI1. I'm not
500.
and I'm unable to locate our system. Another error, right? Let me check.
File entity.
Right now, right now we are facing another problem, right? Just a moment. Okay. So can you please remember me? Can you please remember the same kind of problem we faced in our digits? Can we remember the same problem we faced in our subject also? Can you
Mapping related is also.
mapping related means okay, everything. All the mapping I think is fine, right? But no problem. As you told, let me check once more to you. Okay. So whatever. So at this moment, I want to make a request to you. Simply, you will revise all the subject concept and you will solve the problem only. Same kind of problem it is, right? Cannot do it. Maybe and you ask me this question, why you are requesting? Let this one. Everything is okay. Fine name. Okay, where is fine name? Fine name. I take that. I think everything is fine. Nothing wrong, right? Nothing wrong, okay?
Best match.
And you observe, if you don't believe, after you can change your online and select system, you will check up to now it's working. Whatever the question you ask now, for example, this out. Okay, simply you can print here. You will observe this line is executing. Okay, whatever with this one. Okay, so but no issues if you don't solve, no problem. Just up to now, I think this is the last requirement how to upload any binary data or anything, whatever the binary data, no issues, we can upload also, right? So up to now, what we covered, for example, consider in our database, there are multiple rows, right? Multiple rows, for example, this is consider our database table. One table contain, for example, ID, then consider roll number, name, like consider one image, you uploaded your one image, then consider your one video, okay, now for authentication purpose, you uploaded one video also, and uploaded, for example, you uploaded one project also something. So your all the information is available inside one record only, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Are you getting my point? Or parallel you are putting?
No, sir. No. Yes.
My question is already you know now how to fetch the data. Please can you tell me how to fetch the data? Simple.
Yes, sir.
Yes, session. Yes, session.
That's set.
Why not it? Get method na?
Session dot get.
Simply session dot get. So this session dot get just okay. We are asking now session dot get then class name, right? Student dot class, right? Yes or no?
Sir, session concept, so we are explicitly using in Spring Boot or internally use session in
This
Spring
is
Boot.
one Hibernate class now. For example, this is your Hibernate, right? And this is your project, or this is your code, and this is your database. So consider your only session object is working. Is an interface. Okay, now is a mediator between what? Your Hibernate and your database. Okay. This guy is communicating. Yes or no? Click this one. Yes, fast as possible. This is a very simple concept. You have so many concepts. Okay. Or you have with this one. So simply, very easily, you can ask now, yes, session dot get. Have you forgot? Just see this code now. Why you are not unable? Why are you not come down? Not this one. Okay, now simply now observe. This is the code now. Yes, session dot get class name.
Get student class.
Just observe. Can you please explain what is the purpose of this line? Or what is the meaning of this line? Please first tell me.
To getting the data from the database.
It will search. Okay. Okay, this is a database. For example, I want to get the record. Now, the record contain this email, or what is the corresponding record? What is the corresponding row? What is the corresponding row of this email?
Yes,
Yes or no?
unique.
Yes, sir.
Please tell me up to now. Have you forgot each and everything?
Yes.
Now I'm asking.
Yes.
No, sir. Unique ID. The unique ID.
Okay, you have ID, right? You have ID. Then you have what? Name.
Email.
Name. For
Name.
example, this is your email. So you want to search data based on your name. How to find out? Tell me. Please tell me.
You by the unique ID. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Primary key, sir.
For example, I asked you. This is your primary key. For example, ID. This is your name. This is your age. Now observe the ID is, for example, 1, 2, and another one is like so name is, for example, A, name is equal to B, name is equal to C. Like A is equal to 10, 20, 30. So I asked you, I want to find the record. I want to find the record. Okay, I want to find all the information. Where age is 10. Okay. Based on age, I want to find the data. Okay, so tell me how to find out. Yes, yes, sir.
is 10. Session dot get
Not good. We taking talking
student class
Vinay talking.
student dot class.
Student class age.
So but
comma then
name and is so
then
we are adding the primary key.
is working or
Ages.
not?
I think working, sir.
Sure. Okay, why it's working? Is age is primary key here?
Mm-hmm.
No.
First of all,
No, sir. ID is primary key.
ID is primary key. So only we need to pass the primary key here also, right? So you cannot pass, right? You cannot.
Sir.
Hmm.
Yeah, and validate the value.
Sir, in JDBC, if we passing ID equals to 10, then you will immediately get the records now.
Exactly.
But in Hibernate, we have to not allow to this perform these operations.
Like session dot get student dot class, for example, you want to pass 10, right? So I want the record, okay, na? I want this record that ID is 10, right? Yes or no? But is there, or sorry, ID or age, whatever, consider it's age, not ID. That age is primary key or not? Age is not primary key, right?
Not primary. Yeah. Yes, sir.
First of all, it will not work. We need to pass your primary
Not to
key.
get.
Just consider. If it is not primary key, then there are multiple values. It's a chance to exist multiple record with same age 10. Yes or no?
Of course, yes, sir.
But if return only one object now, which object it should return? Only one object, right? Or multiple object? Sorry,
Only one object.
or another confusion. Maybe there are something important concept and I missed actually. Okay, I think okay, no problem. Let me cover this one also. Also, there are so many concepts running like relationship, one-to-many relationship, then a many-to-many relationship, or some query. Like, have you heard about HQL?
HQL, yes, sir. Hibernate Query
Yes, sir.
Language.
Whatever. So just observe. I'm asking you for this is the very okay. So right now I'm asking you the same question. Are you practicing this code? Yes or no? I mean,
No, sir.
up to now, have you practiced?
Because you are not sharing the code on WhatsApp, sir.
I mean, have you write your query by itself? How to fetch data from the database?
Sorry, sir.
Means how to fetch data, how to get data from the database. I hope you practice up to now, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So now tell me how to fetch data.
We perform card operation.
Consider, yeah, okay, I showed you the card operation or the food operation or card operation, whatever. So already you know, like, so I'm asking you this question, how to fetch multiple records. You already know, right, this concept?
Multiple records? No, sir. Not trying this.
Okay, so simply I asked this point actually, are you practicing whatever I am discussing or simply are you practicing extras? That means what you didn't practice. Actually, I asked this question, whatever. So just observe up to now, we can perform, we can fetch only one operation, only one record from the database only, right? Just observe.
Yes, yes, sir.
Let me take a simple program that can I ignore the subject concept from that one? Or just observe one time. I run it application now. Can I ignore the previous project? Simply let me check the class.
Yes, sir, you can take.
Okay, this is the simple project without subject. Just observe student Java, right? This is the class, right? Yes or no?
I sent.
Maybe you send to me this class A, and this is the main application. Okay, just observe the all the operation I discussed. So now please tell me that what how to fetch data. I think the table is available in the database. Let me check you once more time. What is the table name? Student table, right?
Table name is student table.
Student table. Yeah.
Just one minute. Let me open the MySQL. And let me open a CD. I will
Tables. Yeah. Tables.
what is the problem?
Table. Student table name. Tables, not tables.
Just remove yes, sir. Tables, yes.
Okay, everything is fine, I know.
Hmm.
Just observe here what is
What is
happening.
it?
Okay. So maybe you already know how to trace a single data like very simply in this session.
Using constructor. JSON dot
Yeah.
get
Get
student
student
dot
dot
class
The primary key here, the primary key,
primary key
ID na,
ID.
ID.
Yes.
any data. And
102.
already we have the two stream method. Any confusion after now?
No, sir.
No, sir, no.
Everything is perfectly fine.
Sir, but it print hash code.
Why hash code?
To
Why hash
To
code?
string
string will be
method. To string method use, sir, or not
Method is available now.
available? Yes. Okay.
I know two stream method is available. Stream method is not available now. Let me generate once more time. How to generate?
Just right click
source.
source to string.
Web application.
Or is the main API?
Main app.
Or main API?
Third one, sir. Sorry. ये वहाँ से.
Sir, it already select, sir. I think upper, sir.
Main app. Yeah,
Workplace
yeah.
matches.
Selected already. Main app. Get ready. Yeah.
All the data is available.
5101.
Yes.
It is showing the extra button. Give this up. So we can get the data very easily. I have there is no question. But the question is right now, I want to fetch all the record, right? For example, you want to generate a XML, or you want to generate one CSV file, or you want to generate an Excel file, right? So first of all, you need to get all the data from the database only, right? Not by the simply how to generate. So will you create a for loop here and you will pass the value one by one and you will generate or
Yes, sir. 101, 102, 103. That's why.
so you will create like this way, right? Yes, sir. So this is not good. First of all, you don't know the primary key, right? Do you know the primary key, all the primary key?
No.
No, sir.
For example, this is your database table. Like ID is 101, then ID is, for example, 106. ID is, for example, like 500. Is it possible or not?
No, sir. It's not possible.
Possible.
ID is
What
equal to exist in the database.
Possible.
Then how you will create a loop. You will run a loop. You can say like this way, we will use a for each loop, right? And no need to for each loop, right? Yeah, you can, for example, for each key, for each loop, then you will, okay, now you can select the ID, whatever, but this is too difficult. We are not using this. So using this get method, what is the limitation of get method? Get method can fetch only one record, right? But we want how many records?
500.
Multiple record, right?
Yes.
Tell me how to fetch data in,
I.
for example, how to fetch data in JDBC. Can you please remember? Then please tell me.
Result sets, we are using result set objects.
We need to write one query, right? Select star. Then select
star from table name.
Table name.
Table name, not student table. Any confusion to understand?
Yes.
So, sir, if we want to fetch multiple records, multiple data, we need to write this SQL query, right? Is it clear?
Yes.
So now you are asking, then why we are learning Hibernate? You know, we need to write the SQL query. Then what is the required, or why unnecessary we wasted our time? As we are using the SQL, then why we are not learning SQL very deeply? Why we are using Hibernate? Yes or no? But actually, we are using SQL in JDBC, but in Hibernate, what we are using? Hibernate query.
SQL.
Hibernate query language. In JDBC, we are using structure query.
SQL.
Hibernate query language. So what is the corresponding SQL? Can you please tell me once more time? Select star from
table name.
From student table. But the point is, this star indicate words, all right? But this is not, this kind of concept is not available in Hibernate, right? Very simple. Hibernate HQL is very, very simple. Very, very simple. We are writing select star, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
But no need to write this time. Simply we are writing from here. For example, from where? From Okay,
Table.
in JDBC, we are using what table name, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
But what is the
Yes,
corresponding?
sir.
What is the corresponding thing in Java?
And entity name.
Empty class na? Entity class na? Entity class name, right? Yes, exactly. What is the entity name here?
Understand. Should
Entity name is student.
Student. So simply you are typing from, I want to fetch data from where? From student table or student?
student dot.
Student, na? Simply student. If you want, you can use the all this thing, yes. And it is recommended to use simply this line only. Nothing more than this. Is it clear? Please tell me, I forgot how to write.
I think I also forgot.
From employee,
From student.
from student, right?
Yeah, employee है क्या? Student, yeah.
From teacher, okay?
Any entity name.
Any name, right? Entity name. For example, yes, for example, whatever. Simply we are using one query na?
Yeah,
We are using
select
one
as
query, right?
formula.
First of all, are you getting my point? Can you understand me? Can you follow me? Or
Yes, sir.
okay. So we need to say this is a query now. We are using one method like create query. Which query? Create query.
Create.
Okay. This is the method.
Yeah.
Simply we are telling, hey, please create query. Like from, can you please tell me from, then?
From our entity name student.
For example, any alias name, whatever I say. Simply this is nothing more than this. Is it clear? Who is the middleman
Yes.
between who is the middleman between Hibernate and database? Who is the name?
SQL.
Session.
Session. So simply we are telling here session boss. Please create what?
Session dot get.
Yes.
Create what?
Create
Create
session.
query.
Create query. Yes.
Query.
We are getting query. So it will create the query only, right? Yes or no? And in Java everything is object, right? So it will return an object. Can you tell me the class name? Yes.
Query.
Exactly.
Will return query.
Exactly query. For example, query. Observe what is happening. First of all, let me type up for now. Please tell me how to write.
Fetch multi-record.
Please tell me. Yes, session na?
Session dot.
Session, please create query, right?
Execute create query,
Okay. Can you please tell me
query.
the query name?
Query is equal to from student.
Student. Okay. Any alias name like yes. Is it clear?
Yeah. Return type is query.
Simply control one. It will return one object. Can you tell me what is the object name?
Nothing.
Query na?
Yeah.
Any confusion up to now? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Understand what is happening. This is what I wanted. This is what I want. Okay. This is what
Database.
This is what
Our session.
simply it will return one object. Can you tell me what is the object name? Query, right?
Query.
And this query is pointing here and return, and you will get all the, for example, all the record here, right? All the record. But do you want to work with this record because you are the Java developer? You don't know how to record, how to handle the record. So you are telling us, I'm unable to access this record. But I am the Java developer. I can access something like list concept, right? Yes or no?
List
List.
concept.
List concept. For example, results and concept. Maybe you know how to handle this. Is quite difficult for you. So simply
The
we are
collection list, sir.
Hmm?
Inside collection list.
Yeah,
List interface.
the collection list, right?
Yes.
So for example, consider we are telling, hey, we consider this is your list, right? Like one object, okay, multiple object. So this object means one record, this object means one record, this object means one record, right? So we want actually one list. Now we want actually a list. For example, we are telling, hey, query boss, I'm unable to access this query. Simply what? Okay, first of all, can you tell me how to get the result set? We are using one method.
And
Update query.
Okay, but get result set. Have you used this method? Okay, ignore this.
No, sir.
Simply we are using, hey, I want to get one what? One list, right?
Result set.
I
Get
want
result
to
set.
set all lists. I want a result now in the form of list, right? Okay, I want to get the result in the form of list. Yes or no? Get result list. So we are telling a query. Okay, what do you want? Tell me. I want
Get result.
Result list. Result list.
Okay.
Result list के form में या query.
Observing.
Give the query. Result list.
Okay.
Any confusion to understand up to now? Please tell me.
Sir, just I am confusing between the create query, double quotation in form student. Yes, sir. Can you explain?
Okay. Actually, this is okay, but okay. Today only let me explain about this one. Okay. This is I am using the Hibernate Query Language, right? SQL. But no problem. Today only I am discussing this thing only. First of all, let me run. But just ignore this line up to now. Simply consider it is creating one query and it returns the result set list. So right now, consider this is a database table like ID, observe ID, then what? Name, then consider age.
Name, email.
One like AA, like age equals 10. For example, 2, BB, like 20. So what will happen? Consider another TV like CC, consider 30. What will happen? Simply it will return, like consider your query is pointing here, but we want this
All
data
the
in the
result.
form of what? In the form of result set list. So
List.
this is our result
List.
set list, right? This is one object, right? This object point what? Like ID, ID equals to what? 1, right? Name equals to what?
Is equal to A is to N.
Consider first object, second object. This is our second object. And what is the name? Or what is the ID? ID equals to 2. Name equals to what?
ID is called BP.
Or age equals to C.
Yeah, 20. 20.
In the same case, all the objects are available now, yeah? It is pointing this object, okay? Total object or total list. So can I access this list right now?
Yes.
You don't understand this first point or this one line, you not to just ignore. But can you just observe or imagine or data is available like this way? Now tell me how to access.
So it when we print when we print the list, all the list are printing.
Okay, consider can you use a for each loop? How to use the loop? Simply for semicolon, semicolon. We are using something here, right? Yes or no? Simple loop only. For semicolon, semicolon, and we are using now like integer, like I equals to 1, I less than equals to 10, I plus plus. We are using like this way, right?
Yeah.
Can you remember this one? How to use for each
This
loop?
is not because, sir. I say in JDBC when we write the query select asterisk from the table, it print all the
It sends
tables info,
all the data in the result set.
all the row and columns. Yeah.
Result set is
Uh-huh.
pointing. So from the result set, we are using some method now to get the data. Can you remember? Result set dot get ID, result set we are using the some method.
Result set dot get ID.
For example, rs dot.
No, sir. RS dot
On
dot
the
get
set.
ID. Tell me.
Yes. Get ID.
Get ID what?
We pass the
ID primary key like that.
but I don't know here what is the. Sorry, sir?
Observe. Whatever I am typing here. English okay. Visible. With this one. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
1 minute. Just 1 minute. Am I audible right now?
It's a little bit yes, sir.
Let's stop. What is happening? Okay, leave this one. Simply leave this one. Tell me how to access a list. Just I'm explaining. I'm not asking any question. Otherwise, I cannot complete. So many concepts I need to explain. Okay, let's stop that. Simply we are using. Okay, or then what? Simply we are using the one column. Here we are using A, for example.
Yeah. Yes.
For example, for each what? For example, I want to access where? I want to access in list or in set, whatever.
List.
Okay. Or array. Consider any array. Just simply tell me how to access this array using for each loop. Right. And
so we have to write the type of we have to getting the value.
For example, this is considered integer array, like any name, like array. Can you please tell me how to access this one? How to access this one? We are using for each loop, not like for each loop. Where we want to access in the array, right? In the array, we want to visit where? In the array only now, we are writing this name only, right? Okay, so we need to use that one pointer, for example, I is pointing here, I is pointing here, I is pointing here, I is pointing here, right?
Yes.
So we are using simply one I. But is it enough? What is the type of I?
So that's why I'm asking the questions. What is type of? We have to write the type, then one variables.
Integer I, for example, array.
Entire.
For example, just tell me, is it string?
Then
str.
South arrays.
For example, ABC, like CDE, EFG. Now tell me how to access this one using for each loop. Please tell me. Can you please tell me? First of all, can you please tell me how to access? I'm helping you. Please tell me for each then.
For each, right? Name is for each.
Name is what?
For each, we have to write types
for I in range. If you do you know anything about Python? Or no,
sir, Python.
Just not that. Tell me, I'm helping you. I'm helping you. Where we want to move? In the string only, right?
Yeah, sir.
So we will keep it at the end. Tell me where I should type here. String, right? str. What is the type of str already defined, right? Yes or no? At the above line, now already str is defined, right? Already str is defined. Type. Do I need to define here once more time?
File name.
No, sir.
Okay, now tell me Just use any variable name, any pointer name. Tell me any variable name. First one, tell me.
A.
Yeah. So what is
Yes,
the
sir.
past of your one? First time A points here. Second time A points here, right? Third time
हाँ
A points here. So tell
EFG
me.
या
Now tell me what is the type of A?
A
Now tell me what is the type of A?
String मतलब type.
A is point here ना. So
टाइप लिस्ट होगा ना
string only ना. String we are writing a type of A string. Okay. Is it clear?
हाँ ऐसा
For the past time, A means ABC. Second time A means what? CDE. For the third time A means what?
CDE
A means what?
EFG
EFG. So what is the EFG? What is the type of
yes
EFG? String na? So we need to write like this way, string A, right? String,
Yes.
string A equals to, for example, Z software academy. We need to write like this way only na?
Yes, sir.
So why we are writing that string? Is it clear?
Yes.
For example, tell me.
yeah
This is the list. This is the list. List is pointing here, and one object, entity object na? Entity object, right? What is the object name?
yes sir
ID, name, age. Okay. So can you tell me how to type,
all the data
how to write the for each loop? Tell me for each, then
for each for each उसके बाद string
colon, right? Yeah.
हाँ
What I should
in the
write?
last we put list
One variable, any
list
variable.
list
List. Any variable,
yeah
like any variable. Tell me any variable name.
string
L,
data
Any variable name. Any
L,
variable. Like
L.
okay, L. Okay.
Okay, L.
Then what is the type of L?
yeah
Type of
list
L, the list type.
string
Why string? Is
Sir,
it
ID equals to 1.
return the list
Name equals to, for example, ABC. And age equals to, for example, like 10. Is it list or entity class?
entity yeah
entity class, sir.
Or guys, ignore all the things. If you don't understand, simply can I write like object parent class name? Can I write parent class name? Can I write like this way? Object O equals to ABC. Can I write like this way?
O equals to ABC. No, sir.
check new
String class assigning to the object class. String.
I'm writing like this way. Tell me the for each loop. For each. Then what? Or automatically it is showing now.
my return object
It is not returning object. This line doesn't mean returns the object. Okay. This line doesn't mean returns
This
the
is
object.
object is a type and object is a variable. What type?
Okay, that's good. Maybe you
Yes.
forget the for each loop concept. I recommend you just revise one more time. Okay. Simply,
yes sir okay
I'm explaining. Just first of all, let me show you the output we are printing. Like, meanwhile, let me change the for each loop.
Out the object.
String, huh? Just observe, we are typing. This is out. Or nothing more than this. Just observe. Any confusion to understand up to now? Let me run.
Yes. One object is printed. So
I'm explaining.
one row it print one row in info sir
It print
one
print
line
one row
of records.
why one row?
one list
What is the error we are getting? Tell me. I want it to exception now.
Path Hibernate.
Also, I want unable to
Get entity.
File entity.
Internal mapping methods.
Which I am
It
running
doesn't
now.
get it.
Just observe where I am running, in which one I am running. Just 1 minute.
Hibernate app. Yes.
I'm running the same of I need to get just 1 minute. Let me close all the thing. Close all. My program. I'm observing.
Printing, but something select already
1.1 and token from no visible target in the input.
Can you please tell me where is the error? Tell me.
Yes, sir. Student star from student. Yes.
Observe.
we write the star.
I find what is the error.
Sir,
Yes.
star means we have to print the all records.
Are automatically added. Just observe what is the error. First of all, in database, how we are typing. Just observe. I'm underlining. Check. Okay. And see. How can you tell me where is the mistake?
Yes.
This one. Let's check this one. Can you tell me right now where is the mistake?
Get asterisk from
Yeah,
F or M from.
Form.
F or
Form.
M.
Yes.
There
Spelling
was
mistake, sir. Spell mistake.
भाई
No visible alternative at input. Yes. From. Yes.
Oh भाई all the records.
Are you getting all the records? You can display.
Yes, multi records.
Just observe what is happening here. I'm explaining. Here I'm writing here. Actually, select star. Now everything will this star select star. It will be taken care by Hibernate automatically. You don't need to type like star select star in SQL. HQL Hibernate Query Language. You don't need to write select star. Okay, select star from. Now ask now one question. I'm not explaining this point anymore. This is core Java concept. But I'm explaining this Hibernate Query Language. Observe. So what is happening?
Sir, it is possible. Sir, it is possible to pass the query select star from database where ID equals to
No. You cannot
dash
star. You cannot pass. You cannot write select star.
Not passing, sir.
You should check. Okay. But you can write like select. Simply you cannot use star. You can write like this way. Select what? You can use the name.
Select from student.
Observe one point. But
Select from student.
Cover some name. For example, how we are writing SQL query. So just imagine select. We are writing here select star then from right from From where? From the object only, right? From the object. What is the alias name? Simply we are writing an alias name. Just observe one thing, observe one. I hope you will understand. Just give me some time. For example, can you tell me how to update? How to update anything? Maybe I covered already. How to update anything? First of all, we are loading, then we are uploading that. Can you remember?
Mhm.
Can you please tell me how to update anything? Who is that?
First of all,
Using the
we load the class, load the methods, load method, then after update, sir.
So like this way, using update method, how many, where is my update method? Can you observe here? Okay, now this is observe.
Yes, save or update.
Using update method, how many record is possible to update?
All records, sir. Only except ID, sir.
How is possible to how is
All
possible?
records, but except ID.
No. I want a minute feeling. Using update, using at the same time update method, observe. This is your ID.
Only one record, sir. Only one record.
Is I can okay, is for example name, whatever. Am I audible?
Mhm.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
For example, 1 is equals to, for example, 20. Okay, a name. Okay, whatever the location, 2, 30. Using ID at the same time, is it possible for you to update? Okay, all the record or multiple record or consider.
Only one row.
You can update
Only one row, sir.
only one record or only one row. Or for example, you want to update like this way. You want to update the salary. Is there just let me check. For example, where is course is for example HIV, right? Where course is what?
HIV.
You want to write here
Hibernate.
Hibernate, okay? Where course is HIV, you want to write what?
Hibernate.
Now tell me, manually you can write, right? For example, there are 10,000 records. So is it possible or not for you?
Not possible, sir.
Not possible.
Why not possible? If 10,000
Possible, but
Possible.
it is very hard.
we try to write like this manner. So simply at the same time we are using, right? We are using. So using update method now, or consider there are some salary section here. Salary. For example, what can you tell me the salary? Like one consider 10,000.
10,000.
Like 20,000. Okay, 30,000.
30,000.
30,000. So you want, like again consider 30,000. So you want to increase the salary where salary is, for example, you want to add, for example, 2,000 where salary is greater than 30,000. Okay. So will you check manually? Certainly not, right?
No.
So simply you will write the
No,
query
sir.
only, you will write what? Query only, right?
Of course, yeah.
Can you please tell me how you will write query in your JDBC or simply in your database? Tell me how to write in your database. Update? Tell me, update?
Yeah.
Update table name.
Table name, student table name. Tell me.
Set.
Update now. We are going to update.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Which one you want to set now? Set, then what?
Yes. Set
For example, port
column
set.
name, table name, yes.
Port is equal to what? For example,
Column
Hibernate.
equals to HIV.
Hibernate, okay?
Yes.
Or Hibernate, let me write simply Hibernate. Where what? Condition na? Some condition. Tell me.
ID equals to 10.
ID equals to 10 or course equals to HIV. Whatever your logic, no issues. Whatever the logic.
There are only
Yes, core equal to hive. But core equals to hive, it's multiple, sir.
Yeah, I want to update
103, 104, 105. But if we put where ID equals to 10, then
only
its specific record it will be updated.
one record will be updated. Tell me last
Uh-huh.
one. Query. Update. Tell me.
Update student table,
Yeah.
student table, set
Set.
course equal to Hibernate,
Then
where
anything you can set the condition.
course,
Right?
where
Course,
course equal to Hibernate.
or for example, gender, whatever your condition based on that. Will it work?
Yes.
Doesn't go affected now. The same. Table change. Okay.
It will give the errors.
Net 7, change 7, and
7.
warning 0. There is no warning, right? Any confusion?
But it
Backward?
it's working, sir.
Set.
Why not working?
Just show, sir. Select star form.
7 मैच किया,
yes, yes.
7 के 7 अपडेट हो गया. No. Hiver,
Yes, sir.
HIV के तरह Hiver. 1,
You
2, 3,
can understand up to now?
7 here.
Please tell me.
Yes.
Now tell me, but how to write in Hibernate? We are writing in database now. We are writing in SQL, structure query language, or in JDBC. But how to write in HQL? Tell me, update.
Update
Date और उसके बाद table name.
We are using here.
Yeah.
What table name? But here what is
Table. Yeah. Entity name.
Entity name what?
Student.
Are you getting linear?
Yes,
Yeah,
little.
Then don't write the table name because you don't know the table, right? You don't know the table. Okay. Any reference or any alias name. Do you know the alias name? Any alias name like yes.
Alias name. Yes.
It indicates the
Same name.
Then what set, right? Set now? Consider this is the variable pointing to the object and what is the type? Student, right?
Yes.
For this purpose we are writing.
Yes.
Don't say why student, why
Understood.
not only student, why yes? Because how to access the object? S dot for example codes. Okay?
Yes.
Or only codes.
Using variables, yes.
Or only codes. S dot codes only that. S dot
Yes.
codes. How to access? For example, this is the object only na. In the object, observe, try to understand. Code Java only I am explaining. This is your object. In the object, what is available? ID is available. Course is available. Email is available, right? Okay. Gender is available, right?
Yeah, gender, name, password. Yeah.
How we can access? First of all, we need a reference variable, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Or simply we are writing ID or s dot ID. ID or s dot ID.
S dot name.
Name or s dot name. S dot name na. Codes or s dot codes.
S dot course.
Okay, just observe how I am writing like this. Just observe. Tell me, SQL. For example, update na. Update then what?
Yeah, update. उसके बाद student.
Right?
Variable name is yeah something.
So I want to point hey ID. I cannot use ID using your alias name like yes. Please update s dot codes. Okay. S dot codes equals to what? For example, I bar na where what? S dot codes equals to for example something. Have you got my point?
Yes.
You didn't get. Observe. I'm writing last more time. How you are writing normal JDBC? Update. Please tell me update then. Student table, right? Yes or no? Am I audible?
No, sir. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Just for the last
Update.
time, understand. Okay. How we are manually updating SQL query. Simply update, then what?
Manually.
Where we need to use here. Table name, right?
Table name.
Table name, na?
Hmm.
Do you know what?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Everything is same in HQL. Simply update, right? Okay. Then entity name.
Yeah,
Instead of
entity
table
name.
what I should use? Entity name. What is the entity name?
Dot student.
Understand
Student.
Entity
what-
name, yes.
This 2 point. This 2 point or 2 words. Okay. Is it clear?
Mm-hmm.
In
Yes.
SQL, we are not writing any reference name or alias name. But if you want, you can. Okay, maybe you already know. Whatever, leave this one. But here, after student, we are writing one alias name only. One what? Simply one name, one variable name. Can you tell me any variable name?
Mm-hmm.
Tell me.
VAL. Yeah. VAL.
After
SP.
now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Hmm,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then tell me. Uh, in SQL, we are writing set, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
In SQL, we are writing also what? Set. Is it clear?
Okay.
Same or different? Here we are writing was column name. What we are writing? Column name, right?
Value column name.
Column name. But here
Column name is equal to
here we are writing simply e dot
variable.
Variable name or column name, corresponding column name. Okay. Simply here we are writing corresponding column name. You know the meaning of corresponding column name. Means one variable, but e dot this name. Okay. Just observe.
What is E, sir?
Or s, anything. S, e, any alias name.
Okay. Uh-huh.
Tell me. First of all, I want to update. Observe. Let me update at this moment. Vinay, are you getting or sleeping?
Almost getting.
You follow me, guys?
Listening. Yes.
Just observe. I'm explaining. No. For example, updating. Just observe. Updating the table. Okay. Vinay, are you listening?
Yes.
Observe how we are writing. Simply, okay. First of all, we are writing the query only now. Which query? SQL query, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So we need to take the help of
Update query. Session.
So tell me how to write session. Yes, session. Tell me session.
Session dot
get
update.
query.
What?
Query. Get query.
Are you getting?
Create query. Sorry.
Update.
Create query.
Update.
Are you getting or
थोड़ी
getting?
update करना है.
First of all, you need to
Update queries.
No. We are creating the query, Hibernate query. So use create query.
Update the
Create query.
There is no update query, I hope. Are you observing? There is no update query, okay? First of all, we are
object. Yeah,
creating
okay,
the
sir.
query, okay?
Create query.
Tell me the query right now. Update. Which one?
Update entity name student.
Student. Okay, then any reference name, yes, okay?
The variable name is
Where?
reference name.
Tell me then what?
Where nahi set na.
You want to set? What do you want to set? Course, right?
Set.
Yeah.
S dot course, okay?
S dot.
Course, any name, for example. Can you tell me, for example, right now we want
Course
to
is
set
equal
Hibernate,
to
okay?
Hibernate. Yeah.
Where s dot course equals to what? Course equals to what?
HIB. 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 Yeah.
Is it clear?
Yes.
So we are creating the query. It will return what? One object na query object. Okay. Is it clear,
Query,
guys?
yeah.
Yes.
Please tell me. After any
Yes, sir.
confusion.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Got it.
The query. How you are writing? How I am writing the query? Is it clear? How I am writing the SQL query?
HQ. Sorry.
Now tell me. Simply tell me. Just manually tell me how we are updating in JDBC.
Updating JDBC.
One method. Tell me one method name.
Execute query.
Execute. Yes, sir. Execute.
Are you sure?
Update. Execute updates.
Are you sure? Execute update.
Yes, sir.
We can use both. Okay. But nice. Execute. Okay. So here query 2. Which one? I want to please update. Execute update. Now simply we are using. It will return,
Okay.
one integer number. Okay, like affected or modified. Okay, modified record. Okay, modified record. Any confusion to understand this point?
No, sir.
No, sir. No.
Like this out.
This out. Modified.
Cross. Updated. Okay. Nothing more than this. We run first of all. It's working on that. I'm explaining what's more than don't worry. Are you observing right now? Okay, 7 rows updated. Have you got the point? I wanted generate the query now. How I wanted generating update? Update what? Student table. S10 means column name. Set course I wanted where. Are you getting the point? Internally, I wanted is using the SQL query only.
Hibernate.
Like,
yeah, yes, sir. Getting. Not updated. Updated, sir. Hibernate.
Clear? All the things are
yes,
same.
sir.
All the things are same. Can you listen me? All the things are same. Simply, we are using.
Yes.
Instead of column name, we are using what? S dot corresponding column name. Now, corresponding column name means what? Corresponding variable we are using now for the column in the entity class.
Yes.
Or in the entity class. Okay. From now, this is the corresponding column, right? This is the corresponding column, right? Yes or no? So everything is same. Yes,
yes, sir. Got it.
Instead of directly, we are not writing ID. Simply, we are writing s.id, right? And instead of table name, we are using what? We are using entity class name, right? Like student.
Yes, sir.
Like student.
Table.
Like teacher. After the student, we are using one reference variable S-E-T. Okay. And simply at the next, instead of column name, we are using like s dot column name. Instead of column name directly, we are using E dot corresponding column name, means corresponding field name. Is it clear?
Yes.
So if is it clear, can you tell me how to delete? How to delete? First of all, manually tell me how to delete from the database. Can you please tell me manually how we can delete from the database? Tell me. Delete. I'm helping you. Delete.
Delete table
from the table, right? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Same thing. Which one you want to delete? If you delete, then everything will be deleted, right? Yes or no? We want to make a condition. Where, for example, ID. Consider ID greater than equals to what?
Equal to.
For example, like 1000. Okay.
100.
Okay. Is it clear? Can you tell me
Okay, sir.
which ID, which record will be
Yeah.
deleted?
1000 से
Where ID equals to thousands. Yeah.
ID
1000 से बड़ा so yeah sir or 111111
And how many one, or for example, or like 99? Okay, right now is it okay?
No, yes, sir.
One row affected.
delete
Yes.
Is it clear at this moment?
99 rows deleted.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
yes sir.
Now you will tell me, I will write in the code. Tell me. You can practice later, right? You want to practice in the
Yes.
class only. You can practice later, but you don't practice in the letter, whatever. For example, sys out deleting.
Deleting
Means I'm writing one comment, nothing more to
Deleting.
this, okay, to indicate this.
Commenting, yeah.
Now tell me the query. Okay, tell me.
session dot
Yes, session. We want to create, right?
Session dot
create
delete query. Create query.
sir okay.
Tell me.
The create query is मतलब
What, Faisal?
Okay, first of all,
अरे
please tell
create
me.
query मतलब ये है कटा हुआ
Or don't worry, this is deprecated.
Don't worry, please.
वही तो इसके जगह कोई और यूज होगा ना
नहीं नहीं.
Tell me that query only, please.
delete
Can you
delete student
Student, yes.
delete
Delete student, yes.
student? Yes. Any name like std, okay?
student
Then
Hmm.
हाँ ओके
any condition?
उसके बाद क्या था where
Where?
Yes dot
S dot.
study dot.
s dot id is equal to 10
Sir,
In the database, what is the ID? Like for example,
sir, yes dot or yes dot or esdt dot.
which one?
10
Yes
10 10
dot std dot.
Why yesterday? Yes, not in the previous one we are using yes, right?
Yes.
So why? Okay, any confusion? Tell me what you want to section. Person, any confusion? Anything wrong up to now?
no sir no
Is it wrong?
Sir,
No, sir,
using
no.
yesterday dot id, yesterday dot id. I think
We are using yes now.
previous using yes, but previous using update student yes na.
or
We are
std
using
sorry I don't
Then tell me what I should write. For example, 102. Okay.
yes.
Okay. Is it okay?
yes sir.
If you want, you can get query theory, for example. Okay. A query theory. Tell me. Execute update, na? Execute update. If you want,
yeah
it's fine. Or if you want, you can take. It will return an integer value, na? What does mean by this integer value? If this query modify 5 rows, then it will return 5. If modifies 10 row, it will return 10, right? If it's modifies 0
yeah.
row, then it will return 0. Means nothing, whatever. So for example, na, I deleted record. Okay? Or number of deleted record, whatever any meaningful name. Like sys out. Okay. For example, class rows deleted. Any confusion guys to understand after now?
No, sir.
Let me have now. Showing you each and everything. Okay. Updating na 0 rows updated, right? Condition is false. 1 rows deleted. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Let me show
10.
you. 102 is already available. Let me create right now 102.
Yes, sir. Deleted. Drop. Drop.
Any confusion to understand?
Insurance. No, sir. We got it, sir. When we
Tell me.
The create query is duplicated. Duplicated बोलते हैं ना.
No need to worry about this one, right? First of all, no need to worry about this one. It will work. Means only one duplicated. There are so many methods we are using. Duplicated means what? You can use alternative version also, or maybe they are showing like this way. In the future, this method will be deleted. Okay, is it clear? Maybe we will not use in the future. Instead of we will create a better method for you, right? Or maybe
Yes.
Yes, sir.
there are some good method, alternative powerful method already available. You can use this one. So don't worry about this. Whatever. So just observe. For example, apply any confusion to understand.
No, sir.
Please, any question if you have, you can ask. Okay, in the previous classes now, okay, maybe at the first one I discussed is actually how to upload. Okay, just observe. But meanwhile, let me write this code also. Let me write down this code also. For example, in the table, already we have what? Already we have some images, some videos, right? How we can fetch, right? Are you getting my point? In the
Yes.
in the database, already we have some picture, we have some images, right? We have some picture, we have images. We want to display to the browser, or from the browser, we want to access this data, right? This is my requirement or our requirement. Are you getting what is the requirement first of all?
Yes, sir.
Just observe.
We're getting the image or video from the database.
Okay, now I'm saying you all the things.
Display output in.
Check whether is it working or not. Just observe. So can I know our next? Can I take some more class today?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no
Today.
problem.
Today.
Let me make it very simple. I think you so just observe. So right now I am working with another project now. I run it with Servlet project, right? I run it with Servlet, okay?
Yes, sir. This is servlet. Yeah.
Just observe. First of all, just let me do one thing. New. Okay. Or let me create one HTML file. For which purpose HTML file we need? We want to download or we want to visit anything, right? From the server only, right? Anything suggest to me?
First servlet.
This is HTML file. First of all, I want something like this. So user want to get some data from the database, right? User want to see, user want to watch some video from the server. For this purpose, we want
View.html.
sorry.
View.html.
Or any name, download .html, video.html, or watch data.html. Okay, is it clear?
Data. Yes.
Now tell me, first of all, very simple. User should write down the, for example, if you want to see any YouTube video, you need to write the name only, right? Is it okay?
Yes.
Simply tell me what I should do, what I should type right now. For example, in each one type, like welcome. Please, what? Select your name, right? Please choose the file name, okay? Okay. And I write like this way. Then one form, right? Am I audible?
Yes, audible.
Which action I need to take? For example, like
post
go to the B subject. B subject. Which method can you
Sir,
tell me?
file page, HTML page we have already written.
For what?
Upload.html.
This is for uploading, na? But we want right now to selecting.
Uh-huh.
Okay, to downloading.
Yes. Yes, yes.
Oh, to download, I think
It
to
means
view.
to uploaded file we have to download. That's why.
Or consider your database, there are some file already available, right?
Yes, sir.
To download in local repository.
Fine. Now tell me action view subject. Then what I should do? Which method you want to get now? Anything is fine. Okay. Now tell me what I should do. How to write? Any tag tell me? Like file name. File name what? Input type then. Tell me the type name. What type I should use?
Man type
Into HTML now.
file.
Value equal to give sublet. Download, yes. Sublet.
View.
Sublet.
I do sublet. Anyway, that you need to write like the okay, this one. Whatever what you can use for the content. Mind or brain? Which one? So which one is not working?
Sorry, sir.
Mind or brain? Which one, sir? I'm not explaining simply a HTML file now. It's simply a HTML file, right? Observe. Or make sure view sublet. Okay, let me show this diagram also. Consider this is your what? This is your HTML file. We are telling what? Hey, welcome. Please download your file. Okay. Simply we are writing now. Please find me. Find me. Find me. Find name then what? Simply we are typing now. Select your file. Simply we are writing here. Type file. So here we need to what I should do here. Are we uploading or are we simply sending some text data? File name now. Right now you want to see the data, right? You want to see the data, right? So tell me, file name. You need to write the file name only, right? Yes or no? Because you are not uploading anything. If you want to upload anything, then simply type your file, right? Type your file. But are you uploading anything or you want to see the data? You want to see the data, for example, pig.png. So I need to use your text now. I didn't write anything complex in any program. This is a simple HTML. To understand this, is there any confusion?
No, sir.
Okay, just give me some 5 minutes. If I click here view data, where control will go? View subject na?
Yes.
Of
Where
course,
I
yes,
need to
yes, sir.
View sublet.
the resource folder, right? That way, right?
Yes.
Okay.
View.
Java resource.
Searching.
SRC main Java.
Let me create a subject for this. Can we new then?
View
View
sublet.
Then
download.
No.
download.
Name
View sublet.
Download, yeah.
Download server na?
Okay.
After submitting, sir, it goes on view servlet. Yes, yes.
If I keep the name
डाउनलोड ना कर रहे हैं भाई.
Mm-hmm. Just change URL view servlet.
as a which method?
Do
To post ही था.
post.
If you confuse
Get.
service, okay?
Get.
Service.
Where I need to check, where I need to check.
Sir, web servlet. Okay.
Here only na?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Let me here, control and go to view server type. So here I need to
Web
check.
servlet.
Control C.
Yes, sir.
You confused to understand?
No, sir.
Sir, we.
Please tell me, is it clear?
Mm-hmm.
Simply we need to, first of all, we need to get the file name, na? How to get the file name from the controller layer or from the web layer or from the servlet layer? How to get a request?
From the
Request dot get
dot.
file.
Get file, right?
Get file part, yes.
Get part.
File part.
Get parameter, na?
Yes.
We are not changing, we are not sending.
Sir, we know.
Tell me.
We getting the from the file name from the front end.
This is your front end.
Match.
Simply I like one name only na. File name, input type, text, name equals to file name, right?
NA name is equal to NANE हो गया.
So file name, for example, you are pointing. For example, you are writing like peak.png, right? Peak.png. So file name point this peak.png na.
Yes, sir. Understand.
File name.
File name.
In confusion?
No. File name.
We got the file name only, right? Now we want to get the data from where? From the database only, na? Already we have the file name. So with this file name, I want to search to the database only, right?
Yes.
If we want to search to the database, if we want to communicate with the database, which object is required? Session object.
Object.
Right? Session object.
Session dot.
Session object. In this program, is session object is available?
No.
How to create? So may I Hibernate util dot?
Session. Get session factory.
Open session, right? Then transaction, right? Here session.
Session dot build or
Get
begin transaction.
being transaction.
GX.
Any confusion to understand this line?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, so in our database, file name is the what? File name is what? File name is primary key, right? So only one name exists with this name, right? Only one file exists with this peak.png. Yes or no?
Of course, yes, sir.
Can I use get method or I need to write the SQL query?
Get method or
Get method, right? Is fine. Okay.
Yes.
Get what? What is the entity class name? File entity, right?
File entity dot class.
What is the file name here?
File name, yes.
File.
Any confusion up to now?
No, sir.
No, sir. No.
Fine. Simply fine. Or data. Please tell me up to now if you have any kind of question, please tell me.
No, sir. No.
Here observe. Maybe in the database, this file exists or may not exist, right? Yes or no? Maybe in this database, this file exists or not exist. For example, name. Name equals to, for example, like p.png. Maybe this file exists or doesn't exist. Yes or no? If doesn't exist, then it returns null. So data pointing null object, right?
Mhm.
Can you understand me?
Yes, sir.
Consider if data is not available. If file name is not visible, that means what, this data is not available, right? If data points null.
Yes, sir.
Why data points null? Because there is no corresponding entry.
Because data is
There is no corresponding entry.
Yes, sir.
There is no data in the database, right?
Mhm.
So can I say
So
can I say data is not
condition.
available or file name not found
Yes, sir.
if data equal what now, right? Then what? A response, other concept only, right? Yes, right here.
Yes.
File name not found. Is it clear? Can you please confirm? Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Data is equal to null,
How will you
then
do it?
file not found.
Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Nothing more means remaining
Else printing.
Otherwise, simply we can send the data. If this is not, if this condition is false, then control will come here, right? Why control come here? Because data is present. Yes or no? If this condition is true, means what? Data is not available. Then this line
Data is not available.
control will go at the end only, right? Yes or no? If this condition is false, means data is available, then control program will come here, right? Control flow will come here. Then we need to send the data to the browser only, right? Yes or no? Should I repeat once more time?
Else.
Should I repeat once more time?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Tell me. Right now, data is already available. To send data to the
No.
browser, we are using
Then-
one stream. Can you tell me what is the stream name? To send data to the browser or to the browser, we are using
Content.
one
Writer, print writer.
binary data.
Okay.
File output stream, na? Can you remember this concept? Maybe you forget, but I recommend
Yes, sir.
you watch this video once more time. All the videos are available in the Telegram. Okay. A response boss. Okay. Here. Output stream. Please give me one pipe. Which pipe was? Get output stream. It will return you the output stream. This means output stream. So we are telling here output stream. Please write. It's the same line I am writing, right? Which one you want to write? Array data. Array record. Okay, now. This is the record. This is the record. You don't want to send all the data. Simply you want to send the binary data, right? Of that. Where is your? Let me show you the class name one more time for the last time. File entity. So are you observing? You want to get only this data, right? You from the object, you know,
Yes.
you know need the name, you know need the file type. You want to show only this data, right? How to get this data? Using a method now called get data getter method. Is it clear? Maybe you are not getting this is only code developers. Believe me, this is no concept of Hibernate. Even right now, whatever I am discussing, this is not at all Hibernate. Just observe here, right? And
Online get hot stream.
What you want to write? Get data. I don't need all the data simply. Don't get data. Simply we are printing this line only. Just observe in high submit how many lines we are writing, but in Hibernate simply we are writing very easily. If you want,
Online,
set the content type also. Response, set content type, right?
Okay. Content type, yeah.
Content length.
HTML.
One which is
Text or HTML.
automatically coming content length, but no problem. It is append.
Length.
For example, here file, here data, here data. Please tell me the get data. Okay, then please tell me the length. You want to set the length also, no problem. You know the length versus length method. I don't know whether you know or no, but ignore. If you want, you can know this point also with this one. If you want, you can response dot set content type. Actually, I want to use one method content type. Okay. Get data, get file type. Is it clear? Tell me. Can you understand this point? Or first of all, please type.
Yes, sir, get it.
It's complicated.
Data, get.
You don't understand, no problem. I'll explain. Why? Observe. This is the data, na? Maybe it is making confusion. Let me remove this point. Okay.
In file data.
Row. Okay, or entry. File entry. So it will return the file entry. Simply check file entry here. Control C. I'm explaining once more time. Just one minute. Control V. Control V. Control V. Simply nothing I am doing. First of all, I am checking. Observe. I'm receiving the name from the front end, right? Yes or no? Are you typing anything?
Yes, sir. Yes, my.
Sorry, I didn't observe. Okay, already the program is done, right? Already the program is done. Okay. Already the program is done. For the last time, if you don't understand, no problem. I will explain. But I recommend you last second two videos you can repeat once more time. But no problem. I will repeat in the next class also this point one more time. Okay. Maybe you will not understand at this point, but if you watch the recorded video, you will understand. So simply I'm explaining. This is our content. This is our content. Simply we are taking the name, one name from the user. For example, user will search like I want to see pig.png. I want to see pig.png. So simply we are receiving this name and we are storing anywhere. We are storing anywhere. It's okay. And we are simply creating the session. This is totally previous old concept. Now tell me, we are creating. Now we want to search to the database. Hey database, please get this name. Okay. Entity class and the primary key. Okay. Primary key exists only one. Okay. So here the name is like pig.png, like mp4, like video.mp4, any name, no problem. So simply if the data is available, it will return the full row, right? It will return the complete row. Yes or no? It doesn't return a single column value. Simply it return all the row. It return all the column, right? It return the complete row. Yes or no? The file entry means complete row.
Yes,
yes
yes.
or no? Yes or no? File entry means complete row. So if there is no data file entry, what is the value of file entry? You know that. If there is nothing available, then null. If null means what? File name not found in the database, simply return. Directly control flow will go here at the end only. This line will not be executed. If this condition is low, then simply control will come here, control flow will come here, and simply we are setting. Let me delete this line. When it is not required. Simply we are setting content type here, browser, be ready. We are sending the MIME type. File entry dot get file type means what? This is MIME type now. Because in our database already we are storing the MIME type. Simply we are sending the MIME type and we are sending our actual data, right? Any confusion? If you have any
Yes,
confusion,
yes.
no problem. I'll
No,
explain in the next day also. But this is the main line. If you even don't write this line, sometimes it will work. Sometimes it will work, but the only one line, try to understand only one line, only one major line. Let me explain in multiple line this point. If we want to send any binary data to the browser, we need a magical pipe. Can you tell me what is the magical pipe name? Output stream, the file output stream. Yes or no? So simply we are telling here response was just 1 minute. Here response. Please give me the file out get. I want to get file output stream. I want to get the output stream. Output stream. Control 1. So it will return file output stream. Will return file output stream. Simply you are telling the output stream, you are the magical pipe. Or simply output stream. Okay. Whatever. Let me delete. So it will return a magical pipe. Simply it will return a magical pipe. We are telling this magical pipe, hey boss, I want to, no problem, let's add that. Hey boss, a servlet output stream, please, a magical pipe, please send this binary data to the browser. Nothing more than this. I'm writing this line also, no time, just a moment. A output stream, please write to the browser and simply file entry.
yes, sir. Stop the recording.
Nothing more than that. If you don't understand, no problem. In the next class also, I'll explain once more time, okay? Then maybe I'll explain some concept like relationship, one-to-many relationship, many-to-one relationship, right? Do you know this concept? If you don't know, please, I request you to learn some basic database concept, like somewhat. Are you listening me? Basic database concept, like one-to-many relationship, many-to-one
Yes, yes.
relationship, you should know this database concept. Then you can understand very easily, right? Database concept is required. Okay, let me stop the recording, and if you have any kind of question, you can ask at this moment. I'm stopping the recording. Any question, guys? Please.